Hello. Thanks for coming for a walk with me. I'm sorry I haven't posted for ages. I have been walking, but I've been in a sort of solitary zone, so it's nice to be back and feeling like I want to share things. So I thought I would share this view, which is one of the best bits about a walk that I do quite often. You can just see for ages, and I love it today because the broom is out, that yellow bush in the foreground, and it's just gorgeous to see the spring starting. Leaves are kind of appearing almost overnight, so the trees are suddenly greening and everything is coming back to life. Tiny little shoots of things on the ground, a green haze, all the yellow room that smells of coconut is amazing. It's so sort of incongruous in England when it's kind of like a tropical smell. And it's just having a smell there. Yeah, it smells of kind of beaches and suntan lotion and cocktails. And here we are in England, and although it's beautifully sunny, it's cold. I had to go back home and get a coat. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I'm going to set off now on the rest of my walk. Have a lovely day.